Okay, hold on. This is Cooper's first time. He's shooting. Let's show us what you're shooting there. Show us those shells. Show us that clip. Big 45. It's his first time to shoot it himself. So he's gonna shooting at this target right here. Okay, good job. Fingers clear. Okay, you gonna put on safety? Okay. Fingers clear. Lock and load. Okay, now safety to fire. I want you to shoot one shot. Watch where it's pointing. Now hold very firm. Hey, hold very firm. It's going to kick a lot, okay? Hold it tight with your hands. Do not let go. Only pull the trigger one time. Hold it tight. Arms straight. Go for it. Arms straight. Don't get weak. Don't get weak. Hold on. Hold on. Stop.